Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to explain you how to make question form using these plural forms. Well, now example, these combs or plates. So the answer is they are combs like that. Okay, now please answer my questions. Are these pencils or pens? Are these pencils or pens? Then, are these plates or a bowl? Are these plates or a bowl? Then, are these books or bags? Are these books or bags? Okay. Are these coins or pens? Are these coins or pens? Then, are these forks or spoons? Are these forks or spoons? Then, are these bottles or combs? Are these bottles or combs? Then, are these boxes or foxes? Are these boxes or foxes? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching.